Heyo, we are at Wire Pass to Buckskin Gulch trail today, doing some Slot Canyon hiking. Very excited. Word to the wise, apparently you can only pay to hike this via a cell phone. You had to like register.
You have to register online, and there's no cell phone service.
There's no cell phone service. So this was our solution. But yeah, we're leaving $20 on our dashboard so that we tried, and a note. So we'll see how this goes. I'm very excited to do a Slot Canyon today. It's gonna be like 6 miles basically. Yeah. I think out and back. So it's gonna be fun.
It might cost us a ticket, but we're not turning around. So.
No, it was a bumpy road out here. We're not going back.
We'll pay later and give them a little extra donation.
All right, here we go. We managed to come out right at the same time as a big group out here. So we're trying to like time ourselves so we're not running into them. But also, it's a big group. So as I understand it, this trail is going to be like a mile of walking through this wash area that we're in. And then you get to a ladder and you climb down to the actual Slot Canyon, and you get like another 1.5 miles of Slot Canyon hiking, and then we just turn around and come back, which is going to be fun. So far it is very beautiful, and we came out really early. We got here around, what was it, 8:30, maybe 9 a.m. So yeah, lots of birds around. I wish I had my binoculars, but I chose to pack light today. The variety of color out here it's incredible. The greens, blue greens, reds and oranges, and then you get these fun pops of white at the tops of a lot of the mountains out here. I don't know what this is, but it's so soft. Like, it's soft and silky and fluffy. I love it. I'll have to look up what it is. I don't know. They're all over out here. I love the blue-green color too. Seafoam green almost. Looks like at least a little bit, teeny bit of Slot Canyon right here.
Nice and cool in here.
Yeah, the temperature like just dropped 20 degrees. Alright, we're at the ladder portion, so I'm gonna put this away. Whee! Not too shabby of a spot for a snack. We've had breakfast, and hopefully what I'm assuming is thousands of group hikers
that's an exaggeration.
Have passed through.
I think it's a church group.
You think so?
Yeah, I think I heard someone mention it. So I think it's a church group of about 60 people. We just kind of keep up inside of.
There's various groups. Squeeze. Blast of red pops out here. Wow. Okay, so at a point you're going to come to basically a T. And we're not going left. Our trail takes us down right. It's right after the giant, I don't know, alcove. You'll know it when you see it. But yeah, then you turn right and continue down some more slot canyons. So pro tip, if you are a pale, overheating human, like some of us, slot canyons are the desert hike of your dreams. So much shade. So much shade. Look at this, I don't even need this hat right now. I'm gonna keep it on because it looks great. Okay, found the nook where we can live. We're just gonna stay here. Just plop right in there. Looks cozy. A little bit of water in the desert. People do say that you should never come down here if it's supposed to rain or if it just rained because it can flood quickly. And you'll just get stuck in a lot of roaring, rushing water coming down all this. So don't do that.
Sounds awful.
Yeah, that would suck. point, at least on all trails, it says that this trail ends. Technically, it still kind of continues on here, I guess. But I think we're gonna turn around, head back. You do lose GPS signal, at least we did on our way out here, so it took a minute to catch up, and then all of a sudden my all trails was like, you're done, turn around, you're good. But it's also still really pretty ahead, so I don't want to turn around.
It is gonna get hot on that last stretch, though.
Yeah, on the way back.
It's not shaded. Oh, step in the horse poop.
Thank you, appreciate it. But here's what it's looking like at the end. We are back. We are done hiking. We are exhausted. That was a great hike. And of course we have gotten ourselves some food and some beer. Today's beer of choice, High Life. Some Impossible Burgers from Wild Time Cafe. Boom. We got the exact same thing. They don't have French fries, which I find greatly disappointing, but they have something called a smashed potato, and it's just, it really is a smashed potato.
Which is not French fries. At all.
Not French fries at all. But it looks delicious, and I'm gonna go eat it now, and then we're gonna get in the hot tub later tonight when it cools down, and that's gonna be really awesome. But that's it. Okay. Hope you enjoyed some Slot Canyon hiking. Say bye, Justin.
Bye, Justin.